Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today we are resuming with day number 27 in our video series Russian Word of the Day with the word for orange.
Апельсин. Апельсин.
Апельсин. Апельсин. Апельсин. Let me know if you can get this word in the comments down below. It's got a lot of soft sounds in it. Apelsin. I don't even know if I said those right this time, but let me know if you do. We'll see you again tomorrow with week 4 review. Congratulations on almost making it through 4 weeks of learning a Russian word every day. We'll see you again then, but until then, get curious and start digging.
Апельсин. Апельсин.